Hi friends, this is a wearable device of South Indian Bank, which is a tapping device for the payments. You can see like it's a wearable device. I'm just gonna unbox it. I'll show you just now. I'm just opening it. Okay, we'll see what is there inside. So we have one South Indian Bank pay tag. Okay, so you would have seen the debit card or credit card with the payment without inserting the card. So this is a South Indian Bank pay tag. So I'm just opening it. It comes like that. There's a QR code and all inside, and there is a keychain. That's it. Okay, so what we do is like once it is enabled, we can just tap this thing on the machine so that the payment can be transferred. So it looks like it's a paying tag. Yeah, it shows it's a South Indian Bank. Might be the chip inside. Okay. So this says tap pay go. It's a rupee card or equivalent to card. So what all can be used? Like it can be used for shopping, travel, dining, fuel, or whatever payment you need to pay. I think there is a restriction of probably 5,000 rupees for this one, Indian rupee. And I think we need to log in and select the card and activate the card. So this can be used for the payments. It looks like it's a leather cute one, and it says like South Indian Bank, and there is a logo there. So you would have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.